Today's Saturday, August 30th. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac DeVille and Eldorado windshield wiper switches for my friend Ray at JD's in Pennsylvania. And I'm going to go ahead and do a functional validation test under power. First, we'll be looking for the light bulb to come on. When I press the wash switch and depressing the washer button, we see we have the appropriate reaction. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect my electrical continuity, and we're on low and the light bulb comes on. Shut it off and the light bulb comes off. Redirect to the next contact, go to medium and the light bulb comes on. Shut it off and the light bulb is off. And lastly, we'll go to high and we see that the light bulb comes on and goes off appropriately. So we've tested both the washing feature and the different speeds, low, medium, and high under full power. And this is going to be going to my friend Ray in Pennsylvania. This is George in Florida. This is video number 2 out of a 2-video set. This is the final validation test under electrical power, whereas in the predecessor video the unit was fully disassembled on the bench layout with the discrete components visible, showing the full restoration of the item. So today is Saturday, August 30th. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 1978 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Saturday, August 30th. Thank you very kindly.